All right, guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Sunrise African Tales. So today I'll be teaching you how to use the reference method on Grok, how to reference different images so that you stay consistent in your images when making videos. So without wasting any much of your time, let's dive in. So if that's exactly what you want, how to learn how to reference an image, how to use the art to reference an image, just subscribe to my channel. Also share this video so that others are going to find it useful. So first of all, let me just say I want to create a scene and I want to reference different images. So let's go to ChatGPT. Let me take a prompt so that I already got my image. So before you get to this step, I know that you are already, maybe you're using Grok already, so you just need to learn this reference method. So I'm going to teach you. Okay, let's step on. So let me go to this Sunrise African Tale and let me take this content. Follow me closely so that you understand. So let me take this scene 7, the test revealed. So I'll copy it. This reference method, I don't need to talk too much. All you have to do is to just watch and learn, because it's very simple. I know sometimes it's tricky, but I will use all the methods I know so that you understand perfectly. So let's dive in. So I've copied the scene prompt. So let's head over to Grok. So I click on Grok. So I'll choose my image. Okay, let me first of all paste the. Okay, I've pasted it. So copy an image. So this scene requires to have a picture of the Oromara. Okay, this is a photo of the Oromara. The Oromara, like I'm writing a story already. So let me reference this image. So I'll pick this one. So there is a basic instruction here you have to adhere to reference an image. The original scene which you are actually referring to should come first before any other photo. So you can see I've already uploaded my original scene. So I will go back now and I will take in the pictures of each characters one and I'll upload it and make the reference. So let's go. So I've uploaded the picture of the original scene. So let's go ahead now and take the picture of the 3 characters. So this is a picture of one of the character. As you can see, this is a picture of another character, and this is a picture of the last character. So let's upload it. So we have uploaded the original scene and our 3 major characters, which is the prince, the silent daughter, and the Oromara, plus the original scene. I remember the original scene, the scene you are referring to should come first. So let me take my prompt. That's a special prompt which I drafted. This prompt, you won't see it anywhere, so I'll also drop it in the description of this video so that you can also use it. The prompt is very nice. I generated it by myself, so let's copy it and use it as the reference. So let's head over to my clipboard and I have copied it. So let's paste it on our Grok so that we'll make the reference. You can see I've pasted it on our Grok, and so we have pasted our script first. We have uploaded our images, and now this prompt, which I'm going to drop in the description of this video, is what you are going to use to reference your images. So for reference purposes, this image of the prince, which is, remember, we are doing referencing. This reference, the use of this reference to make anything you are doing, if you are animating your video, it should be consistent. If you are making long video, every character, every object in the video should be consistent, so that nothing is going to change in each different scene. So that's why you are going to upload each character image one by one and the original scene of the blah 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 you are trying to create. So For reference purposes, this image of the prince, which is one of the most important, sentence you are going to hold on to, that is going to help you, that is going to help Grok reference any images fast. So for reference purposes, this image of the prince, which is image 2, remember the image is image 2, the prince image is image 2, so you click on image, you click on the prince image, which is image 2, and also image of the silent daughter, which is image 3. So you click on the image of the silent daughter, which is image 3, so you copy the name of the Oromara. You can see this is just a template I created, so you can just add in your own names and edit it so that it's going to match your own story. So okay, so now we have to add the picture of the Oromara. This Oromara, you can see that the Oromara in the original scene, the Oromara is wearing a cap, whereby sometimes if you create this video, Grok may mismatch the face and give you the wrong face. But as you can see, with this reference, I've uploaded the original face of the Oromara, so that the Grok will know that this is the face of this Oromara. Understand? So you click on, you put her name here, which is image 3, which is the princess image. Then you click on Oromara, right, which is image 4, to avoid random stuff. Okay, so now let's read our reference. So our reference says that for reference purposes, this image of the prince, which is image 2, and also image of the silent daughter, which is image 3, Oromara, which is image 4, to avoid random stuff. So now you click on go. So let's see what Grok is going to give us, so that you will know that, so that you will understand how this thing works. After we create this one, okay, this one is generating. Let me show you another example again, so that you are going to understand it without using a template. Let's go templateless, so that you will understand this video more. Okay, so now, let me upload the picture of this scene and a picture of, let's look for a picture that we are going to reference in the original scene we have just selected right now. So I guess a bottle of 8 p.m. Okay, this 8 p.m. bottle. Let me just assume that in this particular scene, I want to add this 8 p.m. bottle on this scene. How do you think we are going to add this 8 p.m. bottle now on this scene? Look at it here. Let's use this image now. We'll be like, use the image of the 8 p.m., which is, you click on image 2. Remember, don't forget to use this which is, because this which is what you are going to use to reference the image directly. So you click on which is image 2, use the image of the 8 p.m., which is image 2, and add to the original video scene. This is just a random stuff, so that you understand this better. So let's send this command and generate this video. Okay, let's check the other video, whether it's generating, whether it has generated.
Balance is not about power. It is about choice. So I will give you 1. Balance is not about power.
That's generated.
Choice.
That generated. So now you have seen that.
Balance is not about
you have seen
power.
you have seen everything.
It is about
you can see that even her face is more clear.
So
the face of the daughter
1.
is very, very clear because of
Balance
the reference.
is not about power.
Without this reference, sometimes you might not be
choice.
able to get the exact thing you
So I
want.
will give you
Sometimes you might still
1.
be able to get it, but in some
Balance
tight
is not
situation,
about
my dear,
power.
you won't be able to get it. So that's why
It is
you need
about
this
choice.
reference, and you need to learn it. I need to know how it works
So I will give
perfectly,
you
so that
1.
you avoid making mistakes on your
Balance is
video and
not
everything will
about
become
power.
consistent. So let's check on the 8 p.m. one. If you're enjoying this video, just subscribe to my channel, like, share, make sure you like and make sure you subscribe. Please just make sure you subscribe because this video is very useful. I post videos like this based on my experience. I don't post video based on I've watched. I do video based on I've experienced it and I've watched it.
Balance is not about power.
You can see our video is very
It is
perfect.
about choice. So I will give you.
With that said, you can
life.
also click on the extend.
Balance
On my
is
next
not
video,
about
I will
power.
teach people how to use this extend because this is another great feature that Grok rolled out on this their premium and which I
Balance
love.
is
I love
not
it.
about power.
With this extend, you can also extend your video
is
to
about
about 30
choice.
seconds without those
So I will
10
give
10
you
minutes 10
one.
seconds joint hopping.
Balance.
Okay, as you can see now, you can see our 8 p.m. now is on the scene. We have included our 8 p.m. now on the scene. You have seen it. You have seen it. You have seen it. You see the 8 p.m. So now, with all this now, I believe that you can now use this reference and you can now use this art to reference different image and make your video very, very consistent anytime you are making video with Grok AI. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share to other people. God bless you.